Welcome to Conflict Zone. Sweden is confident about India selecting the Gripen fighter for mass local production. Swedish aerospace and defense giant Saab Group is betting big on the Indian market for its fighter jet Gripen. The $800 million Saab Aeronautics, which has already bagged $5 billion worth of global orders for Gripen, is planning to set up an entire production and assembly line in India to co-produce the jets under the Make in India program. Mats Palmberg, Vice President, Industrial Partnerships, Saab Aeronautics said, "Saab is here to team up with India and be there for the next 100 years. He also said, "This is not just about setting up an aircraft industry but also about true transfer of technology and sharing of trade secrets." Gripen had lost out to Rafale in 2011 during a bidding process for medium multi-role combat aircraft. However, the company has upgraded the Gripen since then. Gripen is now being used by the air forces of Hungary, Thailand, South Africa, Brazil and Czech Republic. Talks were revived when Swedish Prime Minister Stefan Löfven met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in February this year. The company is hopeful that India will be placing orders to procure Gripen fighter planes soon. The company is planning to sell the Gripen NG model to India, which is their most advanced multi-role fighter. Gripen order backlog is at an all-time high. "We are in one of the best positions now with Gripen, although we have tough competition," added Richard Smith, Head, Marketing and Sales, Gripen. According to Smith, financing the procurement of these jets can also be customized as per the client's needs. Under the Make in India program, Saab has plans to build an aeronautical industry ecosystem, including transfer of technology with an aim to maximize India content, extending industrial network and creating a suppliers system. As part of its long-term plans for Gripen, it has plans for design, production and in-service support. There are also plans to set up a training academy to train pilots in operating the Gripen. "The work that will be done in India will support our programs for Gripen globally," said Palmberg. He said there will be dedicated Indian Gripen line at Saab's facility here that will be supported by the Indian industry. Additionally, the company is planning to establish a sub-assembly unit. The company is also keen to train Indian pilots and engineers in Sweden. "We can give the Indian Air Force the capabilities they need that will meet the changing requirements," said Lars Sjöberg, Director, Head of Development, Saab Aeronautics. Welcome to Conflict Zone.